In this video, I will show you how to remove image background using Paint on Windows 10. So let's get started. You can easily remove the background of the image for completely free, and this way you can make the image transparent. So let's get started. First, open Paint application on your Windows 10 PC. Now from the menu, click on File. Now from the options, click on Open. Now select the image from which you wish to remove the background. Let's select this image. Click Open, and now you will find an icon Remove Background. Just click on it. And within seconds, as you can see, the background from the image is now removed and the image is now transparent. Now click on File menu, then click on Save and select PNG picture. Give the name to the image and then click on Save. So that is how you can remove background from the image using Paint application. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.